Using 1 or 2-inch white adhesive tape, create a loop around the metatarsals with the tape poised to be pulled along the medial aspect of the limb. Avoid wrapping the tape around the paw itself, as you may cause constriction at the toes. Pull the tape up as high up into the groin area as possible with the stifle and hock flexed. Continue pulling the tape along the lateral aspect of the thigh and then place a slight twist in it to bring it medial to the hock and back onto your initial starting point. Repeat the loop 1 or 2 more times until you are sure that the sling is securely positioned on the limb. An Ehmer sling should never stay on for longer than 10 to 14 days.